Samsung is gearing up to launch all Galaxy A and the Galaxy M series smartphones in India. The company will soon launch its Galaxy A21s in India, which debuted globally in May. According to tipster Ishan Agarwal, the Galaxy A21s is likely to launch in India later this month. However, no official date has been announced. The company has already announced the launch of the Galaxy M11 and the Galaxy M01 smartphones in India on June 2. The company may also launch its Galaxy M51 and the Galaxy M31s in June-July. The handset comes with a 6.5-inch HD plus TFT Infinity O display, which produces a resolution of 720x1600 pixels. The Galaxy A21s is powered by an unnamed 2.0 GHz octa-core processor, paired with up to 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB internal storage. It is rumored that the new chipset will be called the Exynos 850. The smartphone also includes a microSD card slot which further expands storage up to 512 GB. In terms of optics, the handset comes with a quad-camera setup. The setup comprises a 48MP main sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens, a 2MP macro lens, and a 2MP depth sensor on the back panel. The phone has a 16MP front camera. The device fueled by a 5000 mAh battery with a 15W fast charger. The phone is expected to be launched in multiple configurations in India, though details are still unknown. Other details of the Galaxy A21s include 75.3x 163.6x 8.9mm dimensions, and it has a fingerprint sensor on its backside. The 3GB RAM plus 32GB storage variant of the Galaxy A21s has debuted in the UK at a price of £179, which is priced at around Rs. 16,700 in the Indian market. We expect the Galaxy A21s to debut in the Indian market at an aggressive price point that will compete with brands like Realme and Xiaomi. The handset is available in black, white, and blue colors.